Welcome back to DS Trucks. We got a little bit of work to do today, and we've got our 2019 F250, the best work truck on the market. 6.2 liter gas V8, 430 gears, XL, pretty much somewhat basic. It does have a camera package, but we are going to be putting it to work. And if you follow the channel, you know that our dump trailer was stolen, so we are just rocking the utility trailer. This old Griffin utility trailer, it really needs to be replaced, guys. I picked it up in 2016 and I was just looking at it like, dang, it's time to go ahead and swap this thing out. So that's coming. It's a real cheap trailer and it's been good. It's had its little bit of flaws. I think this might be, you can hear that weld broke. You know, it hasn't been perfect, but it's gotten the job done. And I only paid like $2,500 for this trailer, but right now they're like $5,000. Hey Jacob, let's just fold it up right now and throw a bungee over it so it'll be all right. But yeah, the tires are just, it's time. Like, it's either start replacing stuff on this trailer or get a whole new trailer. This front tire's all right. This one's got some weird wear, so that means, like, even if I throw a set of tires on it, it's just gonna wear them out uneven. So it's been used, guys. It's been used and abused. So I can either grab another one of these. That one is the only one that's worn weird. The rest of these look okay. So it might have a little trailer axle alignment issue. It's not terrible though. I could probably just throw some. See, the thing is, if I throw tires and stuff on it, then the coupler's getting a little worn and it's just gonna be a nightmare. So I might as well just replace it. I don't know. Comment below and tell me what you think. But we're gonna be doing a little job today. A little bit of bush removal. I'll take you guys along with me. But anyway, see you guys at the next scene. All right, guys. So this is what we're gonna be removing. We got this whole hedgerow here coming out, and our game plan is going to be to take our saw and go ahead and just cut all this stuff down. Someone's gonna load the trailer, and then someone's gonna probably come behind me and work on getting these stumps out. So anyway, let's go ahead and see if how, you know, before and after, I guess. But before we get started with that, I want to show you guys what we are working with, because our dump trailer is stolen, and I will update you guys on that whole situation. But we're going to be loading this up just into this tarp, wrapping it up and taking it into the dump. See you guys at the next scene. All right, and there you have it, all removed and loaded on the trailer. It took us about 2 hours. Let's take a look at the trailer. And there we have it. Jacob's wrapping it up. We're gonna make a burrito, maybe. It may be too much, we'll see. But anyway, see you guys at the dump. All right, guys, and here we are at the dump. Pure suckage. Gotta unload by hand. Yep. How's it going? All right, let's do it. Man, we're not the only ones unloading by hand.
What's that?
All right, guys, so I just left the trailer shop and I was talking to them about a new utility trailer. As I was talking about in the beginning of the video, that my utility trailer is getting kind of beat, kind of old, kind of beat, and I don't want to put a bunch of money into it. I only paid $2,500 for the utility trailer, and it doesn't really make a whole bunch of sense to put a bunch of money into it. Now, that being said, they are going for $4,000 right now, and if I were to get it fixed up, you know, I could probably get $2,000 for it. I don't know. I only paid $2,500, but inflation and everything is so crazy that I think, honestly, it's worth almost as much as it was when I got it. That's just how bad inflation is right now. They said they're about up for $3,000, almost $4,000 right now for the same trailer, brand new. So it might be better for me to just go ahead and sell that trailer, you know, and get a different one. But one thing to consider is it's going to take a week's downtime to fix that trailer. So God forbid anything happened with that trailer, I have to fix it myself, which is, I mean, trailers are pretty simple. I mean, if a spring breaks, or a buddy of mine's spring just broke on his trailer, it wouldn't be out of the ordinary at the age and time and amount of weight that trailer's holding. It wouldn't be out of the ordinary for that trailer to break a spring. Now, they do have enclosed trailers from Interstate, but they only are rated for 7,000 pounds, which is a total gross vehicle, which is just basically two 3,500 pound axles. That's I believe that's what I have now. It's two 3,500 pound axles on my utility trailers, which should be fine, you know, but it's an enclosed. They do have an enclosed Interstate 16 foot. Just a little bit, it's pretty much what I have, but enclosed and same size and everything, axles, everything, but $6,000. So, but it's enclosed. But if I park it somewhere, it's gonna get stolen. So, a lot of things to think about. But comment below. Thank you for watching DS Trucks. My name is Sean. We did a little work. We're driving the 450 right now. I took you guys along. Did a little bush removal. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Over and out.